feeding the team reason being is, today where you are, your maturity level is almost 0, 1, or 2. You're not that 5 that people want to say. I proudly say that I am integrated into the decision making and the process, and internal control is not created for the sake of creating them to please internal audit. So the spoon feeding worked with both positions I was in as a CRO, and you adjust accordingly. So that AI bot that you create will have to say, okay, who am I dealing with? And it will say, oh, it's this. Oh, okay, I know. And if you remember my team that I had in my previous job in Oman, you met all of them. Some of them you could see that they were willing to learn. Some of them you could see they were slow to learn. And some had ideas but didn't know how to materialize them. So you not only have that difference in terms of expectation, knowledge, experience, maturity, but also each person differs.